Alright, this is DeadWood here, and what I'm going to look at here is my new GT Express gold tester, made by TRI Electronics Inc. So what I'll do is open up the box and go step by step, and I've got some cool gold specimens here to test out, and let's get to playing. So first, when you open the box up, you get yourself a nice little iGem instrument pad that's kind of rubberized, nice little surface to work on, I guess. Some warranty card stuff, pad, and this says warning: this tester can act as a first tool for indicating and separating as to carat content when strict adherence to the tester's instructions is followed. Further fire assays required. Okay. Caution: do not let sensor or paste touch the alligator clip. Got it. Looks like the alligator clip is gold plated. And there we have some connections. So these connections, that would go there. Tester would go here. Probe cap comes up. So basically have the machine here, GT Express Mini Gold Tester. It's got a 18K or more, 14K or more, 10 carat or more, or the bad one, not gold, and a power thing. And from reading the directions, it says the power starts flashing, and it means you need a new battery. Okay, it's not flashing. Okay, it's the button you press. It's a test, I guess. And in the air is not gold. Okay, kind of figured that out. And also in there is Q-tip for spreading that goo. Also looks like some wicked looking file with different rasps or file degrees on it, and a real nice pointy thing to scratch gold, I guess, if you're checking jewelries and bracelets and stuff like that. Okay, so that goes back in there. Oh, and a nice pink eraser. And it looks like you want to clean your gold up with the eraser a bit, and then you put this jelly on there, and the jelly says not to get it onto the clip, and you're to test it onto the gold. So let's test something I know is gold bullion. So here's a nice loaf of gold bullion. Let's slap that in there. And I shouldn't even have to clean that with an eraser, but let's do it just to appease the gods. Okay, it says in the directions to put a drop of this gel stuff on there, and it says to put a drop on the end of the probe. I think that's that. So it says to touch the probe to the gold, press the button, let it go, and it says let's touch this again, 18 karat gold or more. Okay, well, we pretty much knew that anyways. Okay, take that off. I'll put that over here. Next little doodad I want to test is a piece of copper, and I'll take my magnet here, or magic marker, no, eraser. That's right. Put my eraser here. Put him on there. Put a drop of this goo on there. put the sensor. Oh, it's still got some on there, so we'll put it on there. Press the button. What does he say? Not gold. So the copper isn't gold, and that's a good thing. So it can distinguish between copper and gold for sure. Now, as for the purity test, let's take this nugget here. This is a pretty nice nugget. I'm going to slap that in there. Get some goop on there. And let's see what happens here. $18 gold or more. Okay, so it is working, and I mean for 130 bucks, I mean that's quite the tool. I mean, the other metal detectors and that tell you that you've found metal and stuff like that, but it sure doesn't tell you if it's gold for sure. Let's try this one without even putting that goop on, just what's left on the sensor. 18 karat gold or more for this other big honkin' nugget. Let's try this nugget here. See what he says. $18 gold or more. Okay. So now what I wanted to do is take this pure Sunshine Minting 1 gram fine gold specimen or bullion and check what this says, because this can't lie. Not gold. 1 gram fine gold, 0.999. 1 gram. And that's bullion. That's bullcrap. What the heck? That can't be right. Let's do our drop of our gel there. Put some on the end of the probe again like it wants. And test this again. $18 gold or more. So, if you forget to put your contact gel on there, that's not a good thing. Okay. One more nice one I want to try here, and this one, it's got a little bit more quartz and stuff in it, but let's just see what it says. And I do have a trick coming up here. Some trick gold, fool's gold. So, let's see what this one does. No, even with the quartz, 18 karat or more. Okay, so let's throw a hunk of pure 999 silver in there just to see what happens. Not gold. Good sign. Now, I've got some of this nice looking nugget material. Some of you are going to say, oh yeah, that's the fake gold. Watch this. Better get this on the end. It's not the fake gold. Watch this. Not gold. Sure looks like gold, doesn't it? Not gold. So be wary of metals that look like gold, but they're not gold. There's quite a difference from what's gold and what's not gold. This actually is a type of gold. It's called electrum, but there's a higher silver content in it than there is the gold content. You can even see at the back there, even maybe if I put it on the more goldy part, it might pick up better. But so far I'm happy with that little tester. I'd like to just try my ring on there. Oh, I know what I was going to test. Yeah, here's this nice nugget. Now, doesn't this look like a nice placer nugget here? And this was found in the river. And I thought I had found such a nice piece of gold here. But guess what? It ain't. It ain't gold at all. What it is, $18 gold or more, and then not gold. Not gold. It had a false signal there of the 18 gold. Not gold. Hey, that sure looks like a nice nugget, eh? But that's not a nugget. That's actually a piece of bearings where guys were working on a high-ab and blasted the bearings out, and this ended up into the river. Found a whole whack more of it too, but it was from the bearings, and it just looked like gold and it wasn't. So very disappointing, but at least I know for sure what it is. So yeah, if you're thinking of getting one of these little machines, I'd highly recommend it. I think every prospector should have one, because let's face it, you never know what's gold and what isn't, and it's nice to know your purities, at least up to 18 karat, and it tells you 18 karat or more. So all a guy really needs. Yep, DeadWood.